Namaskar. Today we are going to learn about
Khanda Jati 5 bits. Today I will show you some usage of Khanda Jati in footwork.
Taka takit, taka takit. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Now we will learn the Khanda Jati by dividing it into two segments. The first one is taka. We can do the taka in this way. Taka, flat flat. Or we can do the taka, flat hill. So the two types of doing taka is taka, 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 or taka, 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 taka. Now the next one is takite dekite or takite takite. We can use in every way. You can use whichever you want. That is takite or takite. The first variation is flat hill, and the next one is takite flat hill gush. So now we will do it together. The first one may be taka takita, taka takita. We can also do it with our left feet. Taka takita, taka takita. Now the next one, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita.
That's all for today. If you have any queries regarding the class, please feel free to do so in the comment section. Also, for detailed online and offline class, you can mail me. You can find my mail address in the description box below. See you in the next class. Till then, practice hard, practice properly. Happy dancing. Namaskar.